Welcome to Law Days and Lattes, the podcast where we blend the world of law and business with a warm cup of information and common sense. I'm your host, Sydney Whelan, attorney, real estate investor, and business owner. Each week, we'll be your go-to source for legal insights, business advice, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an ambitious entrepreneur, or simply someone seeking guidance, we'll have you covered. From navigating the legal landscape to empowering you with valuable business strategies, we'll explore the legal side of life and enjoy a virtual latte along the way. So, grab your favorite latte, get comfortable, and let's dive into Law Days and Lattes. Hello, and welcome back to Law Days and Lattes, your go-to source for legal insights, financial literacy, and personal empowerment for your family and your business. This episode ties financial reflections and planning with legal strategies to help our listeners move toward financial freedom in the new year. I'm Sydney Whelan, attorney and owner at the Whelan Law Firm in Moberly, Missouri. As the year comes to a close, many of us start reflecting on what we've accomplished and begin planning for what's ahead in the new year. Today, we're diving into how some helpful suggestions and financial principles can guide us in crafting a meaningful year-end reflection and kickstart a powerful new year plan. But don't worry, we'll tie it all back to the legal tools you need to protect and grow your financial freedom. So let's get started. As we head into the new year, what are your financial goals? First, let's define some financial goals. Do you want to create some passive income? That's money earned without active work, where your income exceeds your expenses. The ultimate goal of financial planning for some may be creating a life where you control your time and are free from financial stress. Maybe your goals are a bit different. Do you want to create a legacy that you can pass on to future generations? Do you want to ensure that your family is taken care of, even if you are no longer here to give guidance and support? Whatever your goals look like, financial goals are not just about working harder. It's about working smarter. And that's where year-end reflection and planning come in. So, how do we start? First, let's recognize the importance of reviewing our financial progress regularly. And at the end of the year, it's a perfect time to do this. Ask yourself, did I meet my financial goals for the year? What assets did I acquire or grow? Did I learn anything new about investing, business, or financial management? Where did I fall short and why? What would I like to learn in the new year? This isn't just about numbers. It's about mindset and habits. Are you moving closer to your financial goals, or are you stuck on the treadmill, working hard but getting nowhere fast? Reflecting on these questions gives you clarity for the next step. Once you've reflected, it's time to plan. Here are 3 actionable steps. First, set financial goals. Create specific, measurable goals. For example, I'll invest 15% of my income in real estate or the stock market by June. That's more actionable than I'll save more money. Can you see the difference? Next, let's build some income streams. Explore how to grow both active and passive income. This could mean buying rental properties, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or starting a business. Commit to lifelong education and learning. I like to stress that financial success, however you define that, comes with understanding how money works. Consider listening to more podcasts just like this one, or enrolling in a course, reading more financial and business-related books, or finding a mentor to help you learn. Now, let's connect all of this to the legal side of financial planning. As you build wealth, you'll want to protect it. Here are 3 legal tools to consider. First, as I've said before, estate planning. Consider setting up a trust to protect your assets for future generations. Draft or update your will to make sure that your assets are distributed where and to whom you intend. And make sure you have durable powers of attorney in place so that someone can make decisions about your business and your health care in the event that you can't make those decisions for yourself. Next, business structuring. If you own a business, ensure that it's properly structured to limit liability and maximize tax benefits. This can mean setting up limited liability companies, known as LLCs, or corporations, structuring them in such a fashion to create the best protection possible for your business and your personal assets. Next, contracts and agreements. If you're investing in partnerships or real estate, always use well-drafted contracts to safeguard your interests. This means contacting a licensed attorney and not getting the cheapest forms you can find on the internet. These legal strategies ensure that your financial freedom plan is not only effective, but also protected from potential risks. As we wrap it up, I encourage you to take time this week to reflect on your year and start planning for the next. Remember, financial success isn't just a dream. It's a goal that you can achieve with the right mindset, strategy, and tools. And if you're looking for legal support in protecting your wealth, or you need advice on estate planning, business formation, or contracts, reach out to the Whelan Law Firm in Moberly, Missouri, where you can speak to a qualified attorney who can guide you through the process. Thank you for tuning in to Law Days and Lattes. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a review and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. If you have a question or a story to share, reach out to us on social media and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. So for now, keep learning, planning, and building the life you deserve. Thanks for listening today. And as always, my friends, grab your favorite latte, hold your loved ones tight, and have a great week. And a happy new year as well.
This podcast episode contains general information for discussion purposes only. Each case is different and must be judged on its own merits. Missouri rules generally prohibit lawyers from advertising that they specialize in particular areas of the law. This show should not be construed to suggest such specialization. Nothing on this show should be taken as legal advice for any individual case or situation. This information is not intended to create an attorney-client relationship, and the listening or viewing of this podcast does not constitute an attorney-client relationship. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely upon advertisements.